What's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys, Solana is down right now. Solana is experiencing technical difficulties at the moment, so no one's able to do anything, no one's able to buy, no one's able to sell. So I don't really want to talk about the market conditions till tomorrow, till Solana's back up, because I don't know yet. I've been hearing a lot on Twitter that a lot of projects are gonna dump, but you guys never know. They'll probably dump and then they'll pump right back up. Who knows, you guys? Solana is in a downtrend right now, but I wouldn't doubt it of them going back up. So let's go ahead and get you right into the projects. All right, you guys, first one, it's crazy, you guys. The marketing goes nuts in this one. It's called Kingz of the Street. They're at 9.8K followers. And let me tell you, this looks crazy. So this supply is 10K. But bearx proved to us, you guys, that supply does not matter at the moment. What's on their roadmap? Is there a roadmap? No, we do not want to limit our power of execution to just a few ideas. They want to build a long-term brand. So I'm telling you guys, I'm not going to read you everything as well, but they're going the Bored Ape Yacht Club way. They're going the way like in sets on crack. It's going to be a crazy project, you guys. Just super crazy. So the best thing about this project already, the community, go ahead, you guys, it's still early, super early. They don't even have a bunch of stuff posted yet, not even announcements. It's super early project, you guys. Go check them out. You could get whitelisted. So first off, I was saying their community right now, it's going super crazy, you guys. It's popping a lot of hype. Everyone's talking about this project here. 30 minutes after they opened their Discord, let me go ahead and show you one of their art. Let me before I go ahead and tell you what I think about the art, I was saying that 30 minutes after the Discord opened, around 12K members joined. I think it was 12. I think it was 12K or 9K, but that is a lot, and the chat's already very active. It's on another level. And now let's go into the art, you guys. So the art, it's on another level. It's unique. It's something we haven't seen too much before, and for sure, this could compete for the best art in the SOL NFT community, in my opinion. I really love the art. And the team looks like a solid group of professionals that know what they are doing, that know how to make utility and a community at the same time. With their exceptional marketing, you guys, they look very well organized and serious about what they want to do. And I don't think they're going to disappoint their holders. So you guys go ahead, check them out. Mint dates to be announced, as well at mint price. So go ahead, super early project, you guys, super bullish on this as well. Of course, in the future, some FUD will probably pop up, like in all projects. bearx had FUD, and we already saw how that exploded to like 100 SOL in like 2 days. So you guys go ahead, check them out. And like I said, it's gonna be a short video. Let's see what tomorrow holds for us. Let's see what's gonna happen. And Professor NFT is out. Peace.